This is Larry Bonaretto from LarryOnLearning.com, and this is your Morning Minute. The power of a question, the moment you move from for me to with me. Jerry brought together 8 of his top restaurant managers for a listening session at the home office in Spartanburg, South Carolina. No supervisors, no hierarchy, just Jerry and his managers talking, listening, and working through the real issues. Before the session, each manager submitted the biggest challenges they were facing in their day-to-day operations. 2 themes stood out. They felt geographically disconnected, and they felt like their input wasn't being heard. Exactly the kind of feedback Jerry wanted. So instead of telling them what to do, he started asking questions. How can we work more closely together as a team? What are we doing to recruit talent for this fast-growing company? And what could we create that builds both competition and camaraderie? He didn't rush to answers. He probed. And more importantly, he listened. By the end of the session, something powerful had happened. Jerry introduced a sales competition across all 140 restaurants where each manager would report daily progress. It wasn't just a contest. It was a way to connect the organization, to create energy, and to build ownership. That year was 1972. Jerry Richardson was the president of Spartan Food Systems. He would later become the owner of the Carolina Panthers. But long before that, he understood something that many leaders miss: the difference between compliance and ownership. Compliance says, just tell me what to do. Ownership says, I'm part of this and my input matters. The old model of leadership was top-down. The leader decides and the team executes. The better model: involve your people, ask better questions, teach them how to think and make decisions, because what your people support, they help create. That's the shift from people working for you to people working with you. As we wrap up this week, think about this. Where are you asking for compliance where you could be creating ownership? One conversation, one question can unlock potential in your team. That's not just good leadership. That's how you build a culture where people want to contribute. Use these with your team this next week. Creating accountability that sticks. The power of listening. Setting clear expectations and building trust daily. Let's build it together. And remember, information without transformation is just wasted energy. This is Larry Bonaretto from LarryOnLearning.com, and that is your Morning Minute.